Very good morning to all of you. Welcome to Probable with Team William in India. Today, March 4th, 2024, and a clear disclaimer. Please go through it. Okay, so let's begin with Nifty 50 setup. As you can see over here, it's a really positive setup. So Friday, it was a very good day for Nifty. Thursday and Friday. So what happened on Thursday? Intraday, Nifty breached 21 DMA, the green line that you can see over here. So Nifty breached that level. Okay, but the reversal was very good and it closed in the upper half of the day's range and about 21 DMA. And look at the volume. The volume in the buying was also higher. On Friday, the momentum continued and it was one of the best day. Additional follow through day wala day tha ye. The closing was more than 1.5% higher. It closed near the day's high. Plus, volume was also high, as I indicate over here. So, it was a very good day for the market. Saturday, there was the trial runs for some servers, and the market was open for 2 hours. And on that day also, it hit a fresh all-time high. 400 ko cross kar diya tha intraday on Saturday. And yes, it continued the momentum. So now the way Nifty has rebounded from near its 50 DMA from its 21 DMA on Thursday, it looks like the positive momentum might continue. या थोड़ा एक दो दिन के लिए choppy हो सकता है इधर उधर 100-200 पॉइंट का, but broadly it looks like जो Friday वाला low है या 21 DM में है near 22,000. So now 22,000 has become a very good support. जो पहले 21,800 to 22 वाला सपोर्ट जोन होता था, now I think that has shifted higher to 22,000 से 22,200, and there you might get a very good support. On the flip side, we are already in a blue sky zone and we might continue to move higher because a lot of stocks have a very good setup in the market as of now, and that can really drive the market higher. Not only in the Nifty, but the mid cap, small cap, the sectorial indexes all are in a good momentum. Okay. So key news, Swan Energy subsidiary, Swan LNG has prepaid its entire loan along with interest of more than 2,000 crores. So that's a positive news. MOIL's February production grew 15% YOY to 1.5 lakh tons. So metals and related stocks are already, into the momentum. So हमने देखा कि Friday को भी काफी momentum में थे metals related stocks. Even on the Saturday in the small session, there were a lot of stocks into the Nifty metal sector that are doing really well, and their setup is excellent. So Patel Engineering with its JV partner received LOA for rupees 525 crore in Telengana for RCC Protection Wall project. GAEL commissioned a 120 TPD liquid glucose unit at its facility in West Bengal. PSP Project's backs order were 386 crore in Gujarat. Global market also, very positive sentiment. The US market closed higher on Friday. Dow was up 0.2%, but there was a lot of positivity in the S&P and Nasdaq, 0.8 and 1.2% higher. Asian market, Shanghai is trading almost flat, while Nikkei is trading 0.8% higher. So there are positive cues from the global market as well. वहां से भी कोई दिक्कत वाली बात नहीं है. Global market भी एक positive indications दे रहे हैं अभी हमको. गिफ्ट निफ्टी का अगर देखें तो इट इंडिकेट्स हायर ओपनिंग. फ्यूचर्स लेवल 520 के अराउंड ट्रेड कर रहा है एंड द क्लोजिंग ऑन सैटरडे वाज अराउंड 500, so we might see some 20, 30, 40 points gap up according to the current levels, and let's see from there how much higher we can move from there. Because broadly अगर देखें तो जो फ्राइडे वाला, सॉरी द सैटरडे जो मार्केट ओपन था, एंड दैट डे द निफ्टी दैट मेड अ हाई ऑफ अबाउट 400, 22,400. तो देखते हैं उसके ऊपर जाके कितना हायर स्केल करता है या नहीं. So that will be important to watch out. And the last part, the stock of the day or the chart of the day. So RK Forging looks quite interesting to me. It is forming a double bottom base. I will denote it for you. It has formed a double bottom base, and the base formation is really good. While it was falling for the first leg, the volume had dried up, and now as it is coming close to pivot, अभी pivot से 3% ही दूरी पे है. There is a huge accumulation going on in the stock. Plus, you can see the number of fund holdings have increased in the last quarter. ROE is of 18%, that is good. And the last few quarters results have been quite consistent for the stock. Technique fundamental rating देखो तो EPS strength of 90 is excellent. Buyer demand A minus really good. Price strength fair enough 74, but it is gradually trading higher. So consolidation खत्म हो रहा है तो यहाँ से RS में भी पिकअप हो सकता है. So I think it is important कि ये जो 806 वाला लेवल है जो ब्रेकआउट जोन है 3% यहाँ से वो हम हाई वॉल्यूम पे उसको क्रॉस करें. So if we cross that day on the higher volume, then we might see some further momentum in these kind of setups. Fundamentally the story is really good. It is in the related to the metal sector as well, manufacturing of other fabricated metal products, forging. तो forging की demands भी काफी बढ़ रही है. यूएस के डेटास भी सही आ रहा है, इंडिया में भी अच्छा मार्केट है. So there are high chances we might see some good momentum if stock breaks out well. So that's it for today's session, guys. Thank you for joining. See you again tomorrow at 8:45 a.m.